Man, where do I begin with this bird? Man, let's see. It's Sunday, May 11th. I was hunting in this spot. Let's see, probably 5 days ago, and I called this guy in with 3 jakes. And I missed him high, and I thought that was just about the end of my season, and I was super disappointed in myself and didn't know how I was going to come back from it. And I kind of played off this spot thinking, like, I taught that bird, I'm not going to go back there and try to hunt him again. But I 2 days ago, crossed the other side of this piece, got another tom about the same size into 10 yards. He just needed to take 2 steps for me to shoot, and he didn't do it. And again, I thought that was the end of my season. And today got up in here. It's Saturday, so it's the busy weekend. I ran into like 4 other hunters here this morning, and I noticed this bird, probably around like 7 o'clock, just below me down in the field. And I'd set up just across the road from here and called, and I called in a hen. But this guy never called back, and I went and checked some other spots and was getting pretty hungry and discouraged, so I went and got a coffee and a breakfast sandwich, and man, that made the difference. Came back up to this spot and passed this guy in the field up by the road, and came back up to this spot and chose a different area to call from. And it took about 45 minutes, and he got all the way up here the first time, and then a truck came through and about scared him away, and coaxed him back up the second time, and saw him strutting up the road, and then cut up here, and the rest is history. But couldn't be more excited with this guy. Been hunting here for 3 years now, 2-3 years, and yeah, this is my first bird. I did by myself, all by myself, found him, learned to call, got in here, put in the time scouting, and finally got it done. It feels really good. See you guys on the next one.